Good morning, McCandless.
We are so excited you're here today.
I'm Ryan.
And I'm Stephanie.
And this is MTV. Today is Tuesday, January 24th. Today is National Compliment Day.
Your hair looks so nice today, Ryan.
Thank you, Stephanie. You're such a kind person.
Please stand for the flag salute by Phoebe, Kat, and Karen.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
It's time for the Friday Funny video.
James is videoing it. It's crazy, yeah.
Careful, yeah. Just careful, he's gonna maybe try and get his clean on, yeah. Great forward, you know?
It's okay if I move it?
Here are today's announcements. This Monday, we will have a concert in the cafeteria presented by Hutchison High School Expressive Choir. All classes are invited to attend.
Here's the joke of the day. What animal can you always find at a baseball game?
I don't know what.
A bat. Have a funny joke you want to share on MTV? Write it down and bring it to the library. Don't forget your name and your teacher's name.
What's for lunch today? The menu is pulled barbecue chicken sandwich with barbecue sauce, French fries with ketchup, baby carrots, cherry tomatoes, chilled peaches, and milk.
The breakfast for Monday is sausage on a stick or strawberry Pop-Tart with string cheese served with chilled pineapple fruit juice and milk.
We would like to wish a happy birthday to Aiden Rubidoo in 6th grade. Thanks for watching MTV. I'm Ryan.
And I'm Stephanie, signing off till tomorrow.
Have a great day!
It's Friday, gotta get down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend. Friday, getting down on Friday.